Too many people lack the most important skill in business, so please don't be offended if this video is about you. But first, my name is Crescent, and if this is our first time meeting, welcome to my channel. My passion is sharing tips and strategies on how you can create a successful Amazon FBA private label business. So if you enjoy videos like this, or especially if you've been around my channel, consider subscribing. All right, let's get started. I can usually tell within the first few moments of interacting with someone whether or not they're going to succeed on Amazon or any business for that matter. And this is from the quality and types of questions that they ask. Now don't get me wrong, please don't think that I'm judging people. I enjoy and love talking about business and helping people build successful businesses so that they can reach financial freedom too. But the lack of this one essential skill will be the ultimate demise of any business venture that you partake. And this one skill is resourcefulness. So what does being resourceful mean? In the information age that we live in now, access to a wealth of information and knowledge is literally at everyone's fingertips. At any time, you can just reach into your pocket and get the answer to anything that's on your mind within seconds. But this ease of access is what I also believe has created the problem where many people lack the skill of being resourceful. Whether it's from laziness or entitlement, for whatever reason, I see people rather spend their time to post a question expecting someone to feed them the answer rather than just type the exact same question into a search platform like Google or YouTube where they can find the answer in a matter of seconds. And we can all see the evidence of this on Facebook groups or forums where the same question gets asked over and over and over and over and over again. This just boggles my mind. Whenever I need to find an answer to something, I want the answer now so I can move on. I don't want to rely on other people, nor do I have the patience to wait for an answer. When it comes to business, especially as a business owner, you're going to be constantly bombarded with obstacles and problems. And if you're not resourceful enough to overcome these adversities on your own when they arise, you're doomed to fail. I can tell you right now with 100% certainty that if you're the type of person that can't take action or the initiative to problem solve on your own and always find it easier to turn to someone else for the answers, you should reconsider starting your own business. You absolutely need to be able to take matters into your own hands and find answers on your own, to rely on yourself and not someone else. You need to be able to try things for yourself. See what happens and learn from it and not be afraid to make mistakes. So, how can you be more resourceful? Well, of course, if you have any questions, no matter how small, definitely ask. There's no such thing as a dumb question. But just know that you're probably not the first person that had this same question, and a quick search will usually get you the answer far quicker. So here's a list of resources that I use every single day to find answers to any question that I might have. And the first place that I typically look is on Google. For example, let's do a search for how you add a video to your listing. You can see right away the search result is pulling up answers for you. And you can scroll down and you can find different people that have already asked this question with answers. And look here, there's even a video from me on this exact topic. And of course, you can do a search directly on YouTube too. So for example, if we do a search here for how to add videos to my listing, you can find a whole bunch of videos on this exact topic. And again, here's one of my videos. Anything Amazon specific, you can find answers in Amazon's own documentation. And I highly recommend that you go through this documentation as there's a ton of information there for you. So for example, if we log into Seller Central, there's a help button here, as well as a search field here for you to type in any questions that you might have. So for example, let's take a look at the 2019 fee changes. And you can see right away, the search results shows you the referral and FBA fee changes summary right here. And let's look up another example of a question that's commonly asked, and that's the packaging requirements. You can see right away the very first link is the packaging and prep requirements. And let's take a look at one more, for example, labeling requirements. And as you can see, the search results shows you everything you'll need to know for Amazon UPC, FNSKU, and shipping label requirements. Amazon also has a huge community forums where sellers can post questions. If you do a search here, You're almost always going to find other people that have already asked your question with answers. For example, if we jump onto the forums, which is at sellercentral.amazon.com/forums, and I'll leave a link to it in the video description below. If we come up here and do a search, for example, if we need to know the country of origin labeling requirements, we can just type in made in China. You can see a whole bunch of people that have already asked this question with answers for you, so you can get this answer immediately without having to wait. And of course, a huge resource for help and guidance is on my Facebook group and forums. There's tons of knowledgeable members there that help other members, and I'm also active in there every day answering questions. On my forums, I also have all of my free content organized in categories on my forums so you can search for content on whatever topic you're looking for. For example, if we jump onto the forums, you can see here there's some general discussion categories here, and then category specific topics here for you to find answers to any question that you might have. And there's also a search box. So let's say we want to learn how to create a bundle. There you go. There's a video here that I've made on how to create a bundle. And there's other people that have asked the same question with answers. You can also jump onto my YouTube channel and do a search there. Click on the magnifying glass here and you can do a search for how to create a bundle. And you can see it pulled up all of my videos related to creating a bundle here with tons of information for you at your fingertips. And again, I'll leave links to all of these in the video description below. Now, if you need help with your Amazon account, you can contact seller support directly. There's several ways you can do that. The easiest way is actually through Seller Central. So if you log into Seller Central, if you click on Help, it's going to bring you to this page here. And if you scroll to the bottom, it says Need More Help? Contact us. And then if you click on Selling on Amazon, Your Account, Other Account Issues, if you scroll down, you can contact them by phone or email. The other method is through the app on your smartphone or mobile device. So open up the app, click on Contact Seller Support, Your Account, Other Account Issues, and then you can email, phone, or chat. All right, I hope you found this video helpful and gave you some insight on how you can be more proactive and be more resourceful in building your own business. If you have any questions, do a search or post them in the comment section below. I answer every single one of them. All right, thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And to make sure you never miss a video, be sure to click that bell icon to turn on notifications. There's also a link in the video description below to our community forums, which you should totally join. And if you're looking for more tips and strategy videos, click or tap over here. And as always, thanks for watching.